Ghee is a type of butter with a very high smoke point of 482 degrees. To make ghee, you start with several sticks of butter and you stir it with a whisk while it's heating. The objective here is to get rid of all the water and milk solids, reducing it to pure butter fat. Stirring vigorously, you can see lots of steam being released, and some of the foam is whey coming to the top. This will take a while, so be patient, somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes depending on how many sticks of butter you're turning into ghee. At this stage you can see that it's still yellow, and when I stir, there's plenty of steam being released. Checking the temperature, it will stay between 220 225 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Some people like to skim off the whey before pouring it through cheesecloth, but you don't really have to worry about that if you use paper filters. The paper filters will eliminate any solids or remaining flakes within the ghee. At this stage you can see the ghee is clear. It is now clarified butter. And when I stir vigorously, there's no steam being released, so all the water and milk solids are gone. But you want to keep checking the temperature and keep it going a little longer to turn it into ghee. You want to get past 250 degrees. Once you're there, you can let it cool a little bit and pour it through paper filters. This takes a little time, so be patient. It drips a little at a time. Just gently rotate the ghee in the filter and it'll keep dripping, but eventually it will clog. When it does, you can fold up the filter with the ghee in it and transfer it to a new paper filter and keep the process going. Pour in a little more ghee. Rotate it some more and change out the filters as needed. On the last pour, you're going to get some milk solids from the bottom of the pan. That's okay. Just get as much ghee out as you can. Leave the milk solids behind. You can use another filter if you wish, but I usually just pour the ghee over the edge of the filter to speed the process up on the last rotation. And you can pour the ghee into molds. Here's a glass mold. Or you can use a silicone mold. Because ghee is about 19% water and milk solids, you'll need to use 5 sticks of butter for 4 sticks of ghee. Once you've poured the molds, you transfer them to the refrigerator overnight, and they will solidify and remain solid on the countertop for months at a time without spoiling.